Introducing Patch. Living in this city is great. The price we pay for our fun-loving lives is all too often a bit of colour. With pollution and stress levels at an all-time high, wouldn't it be nice if Mother Nature could lend a helping hand? Well, listen up, people of our great cities. Patch are bringing nature to you. People think that plants are hard work, but it doesn't have to be this way. Not only will Patch make it easy to pick the perfect companions like Rapunzel, Chaz or Pippa, they'll deliver right to your door and tell you everything you need to know to keep your plants alive and kicking. Patch are doing all of this because they believe that everyone should feel a little less blue by living with a lot more green. Don't just take it from me. Hundreds of people are joining the Patch Plant Club every week. Click here to join them and bring your home or office to life with Patch.